In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a Gmail QR code on iPhone. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along easily and confidently. First, let's begin by opening the email or image that contains the QR code. This could be an email you've received in your Gmail app, or perhaps a screenshot you've saved on your iPhone. Opening the right image or email is crucial because it's your starting point. Without this, you won't be able to proceed with the scanning process. Once you've located the QR code, press and hold it on your screen. This action is essential as it signals your iPhone to bring up options related to the QR code. It's similar to how you might long press on an app to move it around on your home screen. You'll feel a slight vibration or notice a visual cue that indicates your iPhone has recognized the QR code. Now, after a moment, you should see a link or action pop up on your screen. Go ahead and tap on this link or action. By doing this, you're effectively telling your phone to follow the QR code's instructions, whether that's opening a website, adding an event to your calendar, or something else entirely. This step is important because it activates the information embedded in the QR code, allowing you to interact with it seamlessly. Once you've tapped the link or action, follow the on-screen instructions that appear. These instructions will vary depending on the specific QR code you scanned. It could direct you to a web page, prompt you to confirm a calendar event, or even start downloading a file. Make sure to pay attention to what your screen is telling you, as this will ensure you complete the desired action successfully. Remember, scanning a QR code is a quick and efficient way to access information without needing to type in a long URL or search for content manually. It saves time and reduces the chances of making errors when entering data. Plus, it's a convenient tool for accessing content on the go. At this point, you should have successfully scanned the QR code and completed any subsequent actions. If you have followed each step carefully, everything should work smoothly. If you encounter any issues, double-check each step to ensure you didn't miss anything. As a tip, always make sure your iPhone software is up to date. This ensures that you have the latest features and security patches, which can help prevent problems when scanning QR codes or performing other tasks. Keeping your device updated is a good practice for maintaining a smooth user experience. And there you have it. You now know how to scan a Gmail QR code on your iPhone. It's a straightforward process, but following each step precisely ensures success. Whether you're accessing a website, downloading content, or adding events to your calendar, scanning QR codes can be a very useful skill. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Keep exploring and discovering all the things your iPhone can do for you. Have a great day.